In this demo, we are going to look at how manufacturers can use Salesforce to connect with customers, employees, and partners in brand new ways. You'll see how marketing can spot trends as they happen and measure campaign results, how sales can find leads in social channels and engage with customers in new ways, how to create innovative online, mobile, and in-car experiences in the Salesforce platform, how you can boost collaboration across teams and align everyone in the company to work together, and how to deliver great customer service in every channel and turn customers into fans for life. Let's take a look. Jenny, a recent college graduate, wants to buy a new electric car and tweets her friends to ask for advice. At auto manufacturer Electra Motors, Scott, the community manager, uses the Marketing Cloud to listen across social networks, blogs, and community forums to identify opportunities to represent the brand, serve customers, and identify potential prospects. With the Marketing Cloud, Scott can see where discussions are happening, what key terms are being shared, and even identify social conversations about Electra. Scott sees Jenny's tweet and automatically creates a lead in the Sales Cloud, along with a social customer profile of Jenny that Electra Motors can nurture in partnership with its dealer network. Scott replies right back on Twitter with a call to action to learn about the Electra Flint on Facebook. When Jenny gets the reply, she clicks on the link that opens the Flint model fan page. She reviews the page and positive posts and decides to build her own Flint. Electra also uses the Marketing Cloud to publish and maintain its Facebook fan pages. Using the Salesforce platform, Electra provides a car configuration app that helps customers design the car they'd like and share it with their friends. Jenny selects the base Flint model to get started. Jenny can select the color of her car, the packages, and options she prefers. With each selection, she can see the price, how many are in stock, and what her friends and connections think about her choices with likes. After configuring her car, Jenny receives a summary of the details and can schedule a test drive at a local dealer. She then chooses a date, a time for her test drive, confirms the appointment, and shares the appointment with her friends on Facebook. Over at the Electra Motors dealership in San Francisco, Jenny's test drive is now scheduled with Chris, an Electra Motors sales associate. Chris starts each day with the custom sales app on his iPad, powered by the Salesforce platform and the Sales Cloud. Chris uses the app to manage his daily appointments and access key information about his customers, prospects, and the products and services he sells. He reviews the calendar and sees the next appointment is Jenny's test drive. Chris selects the appointment to learn more about Jenny and prepare for her visit. Wanting to learn more about Jenny, Chris reviews her social posts and notes that she's a recent college grad. When Jenny arrives, Chris uses the iPad to preview the car she placed on her wish list, talk about what she's looking for, and take a test drive. Jenny agrees that the red Flint is the car she wants, so Chris creates a quote and validates the color, package, and options she's selected. He also reviews the dealer options, and she decides to take the extended warranty. He asks for her signature and submits the quote to his finance manager for further processing. And because the information is in the cloud, the quote is not only visible to Chris and Jenny, but to every other person involved in sales and delivery. Electra also uses the Sales Cloud to manage the performance of its dealerships. Sam, the dealership manager, can review the performance of the San Francisco dealership in real time with dashboards. Sam sees that Chris has climbed to the top of the performance rankings for associates this month and would like to recognize his good work. So she shares the leader chart and chatter with Chris, along with a comment directly from the dashboard. Now Chris and the entire team will see the leader chart right in their chatter feeds. As the proud new owner of an Electra Motors Flint, Jenny can access the Electra Motors owners community to get the most from her connected car, providing her access to unique offers, maintenance and warranty alerts, and she can have a dialogue with Electra, her dealership, and even other Electra owners. Jenny is moving to Thousand Oaks, California to start a new job, so she uses the trip planning app to plan her trip to San Francisco. And because her car is connected to the cloud, she can instantly share the trip with her car, so it's available when she's ready to drive. Later in her connected car, Jenny prepares for her trip by accessing key apps powered by the Salesforce platform through her in-dash navigation system. Many of the same tools and information that were available through the community portal are also available in her vehicle in a driver-friendly format. Jenny is now ready to start her journey. She selects the Thousand Oaks trip plan, reviews the steps, including a stop recommended by her friend, and then starts navigation. While on the road, Jenny receives an alert indicating her battery is depleting faster than normal, and she calls Electra Motors. Electra uses the Service Cloud to manage customer issues and get problems resolved faster. When Jenny calls, a screen pop displays her details so the customer service agent, Linda, can immediately help with the issue. Linda quickly sees that Jenny is a new customer that bought her Flint from Electra Motors of San Francisco, and that the battery charge status on her car is low. She can also see the vehicle maintenance history and all other interactions with Electra and its dealers. While Jenny explains the error message she received, Linda connects directly with the car to retrieve diagnostic information and learns that the firmware is out of date. Linda opens a case, and as she enters the details, Service Cloud automatically recommends knowledge articles that will help solve the issue. Linda finds the answer to the problem and shares with Jenny that she can send a firmware update over the air. She updates the car, and Jenny's problem is solved. Later that day, Jenny shares her great experience with Electra on Twitter, fueling even more interest in the brand and driving brand new leads. That's just a few ways that manufacturers can connect with their customers, partners, and employees like never before. To learn more about how Salesforce is helping manufacturers transform their business, visit us online at salesforce.com/manufacturing.